Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
To take a screenshot on a Windows 11 laptop, press the Windows key plus Shift plus S. This activates the snipping tool, allowing you to select the area of your screen you wish to capture. For a full screen capture, simply press the PRTSCN print screen key. To find your screenshot, open the Pictures folder, then the Screenshots folder. For Mac users, press Command plus Shift plus 4 to select a specific area, or Command plus Shift plus 3 for a full screenshot. Screenshots are saved on the desktop.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.